Hello, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do all your setup. Basically I'll be sending you guys some indicators. I will show you how to fix them on the chart. So the first thing you notice when you open a chart is this, right? So I'll be sending you guys these indicators here. There will be three indicators: the CMX, CXM, the day of the week, and the trend. Now the trend is it's not an indicator, it's an EA. So you're going to be copying the trend separately. Go back to your chart, go to File, open Data folder. Okay. Now this is just how to put your EA, because we'll be needing it for our trading. Now you go to MT4, then you go to Expert. Now basically you could just paste it here, okay, and you have the trend. Now you go back, same procedure, go back to your indicators I sent you, copy the day of the week and the CMX. Now you copy those, you go back to your MT4 platform, same procedure, open Data folder. But this time around you'll not be pasting this in the Expert folder, you'll be pasting it in the Indicators folder. So not Expert, you go to Indicators, and then I think we'll create a new folder for this so it will be easier for us. Okay, so you could just create a new folder because there are a lot of indicators here. Maybe just name it A, and you can paste that there. Okay, so now we have our indicators and our EA all load up. So you go back here, you right click and then click on refresh. Okay, now you can see our folder A and you can see our indicators here. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to organize our chart. So usually when you open a chart you find it this way. Let me start all over again. So you open a chart, you find it this way. I'm going to make things as easy as possible. So you click, right click, go to properties. Okay, and this is how we reset. For the colors we tick remove, show grid you tick, then you go back, click on candlestick because we want the candlestick. Okay, so you zoom in and you see this. Right, now we see this. So I'm going to change this colors to suit my taste. So you just go back here. Bear up should be lime, bear down should be red. So put on red. Bull candle for the buy, put in the green, right? And then bear candles should be red also. So now we have our chart set up. What I'm trying to do next is save this. This is an empty chart, so I'm going to be saving it with empty, right? So the next thing I want to do is include the indicators we'll be using. So you come back here, you click CMX, you load it to the chart. You can either click or drag and drop. Now the CMX is actually currency strength meter. Now this shows you the strength of a currency per time. As you can see, this is GBP USD, and right now the buying power is 0.6 because GBP is both strong and USD is strong. So GBP is just a bit stronger than USD, so you might not want to trade using this. The next thing is we'll be using the let's put our period separator. So this is a period separator. Now this is a whole one day because this is the 1 hour chart. Now I'm going to be putting the days of the week indicator. Go to impute, you load this to the past 500 days. Now I'm going to be changing these colors to show different colors for different days, for Tuesdays, so I don't get confused. And you could easily see it on the chart after you do this. Okay, so we have the days of the week ready. We have our our CXM indicator, and the next thing we'll be needing for our trade next, and don't forget the trend. Well, I'll explain the trend shortly, but I'm just trying to show you guys how to do all your setup. For the trend indicator, you go back to expert and you can see it here, right? So if you load the trend indicator, and you can see it's all loaded, it's showing you buy only, so this is a buy market. And then the next thing is to add a moving average. So I'm going to be making two templates, one for buy and one for sell. So the first thing we need for the moving average is 200 moving average, exponential, and the close. And this one is for a sell. So we're making a, okay, this is for the trend. 200 moving average is for the trend. So anytime you see trade above is a buy market, anytime the trend is below is a sell market. Though you don't really have to bother about this, but we'll be using it because we already have our trend indicator that giving us the buy signal, so we know we are only focusing on buy. Now the next thing we'll be needing is another moving average. Now the next, for this we'll be using 20 and we'll be using low. Okay, we'll be using low 20. Now I'm going to be sending you all this template. Now this is the template for a buy market. The template for a buy market, we have the 200 moving average, we have the 20 low, okay, and we have our days of the week, and we have our CXM indicators, and we have the trend indicator. So we want to save this, and we'll save it as buy. So basically I'll be sending this indicator to you, but I want you guys to know how to set it up because it will be easier for you to work with. So the next time we change this back to high. So for this now is for a sell market, so save this as, you could either save it as a sell market or just sell. Okay, so anytime you come on the chart, the first thing you want to do is check, okay, what is my trend indicator saying? My trend indicator is showing a buy, so I want to load a buy template. So I go back and I load the buy template. It's as easy as that, and I'll be sending you guys the template or the indicator, so you don't have to worry about the setup, though you could easily watch this video to know how to do the setup all over again. Okay, so basically this is just how to set up your templates for buy and for sell. So we have the buy here, we have the sell here, and we have an empty template. Okay, so I think not to complicate this video, but this video is just for the introduction on how to set up easily, how to set up your templates, your indicators, and how to edit to your taste. So one more thing we'll be needing is a timeline indicator, because we'll be using the timeline. Though I'm going to send you guys, I'll be sending you guys the indicator also, but first of all I just want to download it here because you can easily download it from the market. So you go to market, and then you download it. Okay, so we go to market, and all you have to do is just type in time line. Okay, timeline free, and the indicator should come up. But if it doesn't, I'll send you guys the indicator and of course the setup for it. I really don't have it on this system right now, so I might have to wait a little. So basically that's just how to set up, but since we'll be using time to trade, that's why I need the timeline indicator, so we'll be able to differentiate what time you should be expecting the trade and what time we should not be on the chart, because this strategy basically works with time. You have to be precise because you don't want to jump on a trade at any time. Okay, so before this this finished loading, I want to show you a website we'll be using also for all our trades. I'm sure most of you know it, forexfactory.com, and we use that to usually check the news. So we want to know what news is happening on that particular day and what we're going to do about it. Okay, So here we have the timeline indicator is free. You just click on it and you download. So while it's downloading, you go back to the website we'll be using, forexfactory.com. This shows you the news of the day, so you could easily filter this on your own terms. So let's just say we want to view the whole week. You load the week and you'll be able to see all the news that will be happening this week, so you could easily prepare what days you're going to be trading. Okay, this has downloaded. It's now here, so you just drag it, you check your input. Okay, we'll be trading from the London session. So we on this platform, the London session is 9 a.m. which is 7 a.m. Nigerian time, but you just click on OK, or you could easily change this color to something more bright. So we have the exact time we'll be looking for trades, so you could easily save this and replace it with the buy, right? So you could just replace this by OK. Then you could change this back to sell, which is high, and replace it to sell. Right, so I'll be sending all this template to you. So now we got down our templates, our indicators, and how to use Forex Factory, because we're filtering some of this news so we know what to trade. So since I'll be teaching you guys how to trade Euro USD, though you can apply this on other pairs, but I'm focusing mainly on Euro USD and USD CHF. So I want us to filter this to show USD CHF news, Euro news, CHF news, Euro news, and USD news only on our Forex Factory. So you can view all, but just to filter to know what days we expect a volatile market. Today is Monday, and you can see there's no market isn't that volatile. There's no news. There's bank holidays in CHF, in Euro, and there's no news on USD. So basically, these are the information we'll be using. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how we get our entries and how we get our exit, and the days we are going to be trading, and of course our stop loss and take profit. Alright, see you guys in the next video.